The FBA Inventory page in Seller Central consolidates information about your FBA inventory in one place to help you maintain your inventory performance metrics and health. Unlike the Manage All Inventory page, which shows all your ASINs, FBA Inventory will only show ASINs that you have enrolled in FBA. If you haven't enrolled any ASINs yet, this page may be blank. To get to the FBA Inventory page in Seller Central, open the menu, hover over Inventory, and click FBA Inventory. Your dashboard has multiple columns which show metrics including fee estimates, inventory health, sell-through rates, and recommended actions for each SKU. Hover over the information icon in each column for a detailed description of each metric. You can also choose filters to group products with similar inventory characteristics, such as age, storage type, and product condition. These filters can make it easier to decide what recommended actions to take. By using the search feature, you can find items that have similar product characteristics, such as SKU, ASIN, or any product details like color or quantity. You can then sort, filter, and action these items. We encourage you to regularly monitor your FBA inventory page to maintain healthy inventory levels.